Hey guys, Brittany Bradley, Artistic Team member from Schwarzkopf Professional. And on this video, I'm going to show you how to give a great balayage and foilayage on curly hair. Stay tuned. I will be using Vario Blonde Super Plus and 3% 10 Volume Developer in a 1:2 ratio, along with foil and mesh for a dimensional lived-in blonde color. Taking a slight diagonal back natural parting and creating a chunky weave, just lightly teasing the hair out of a section. In and out, nothing too perfect. I'm also using the Schwarzkopf Professional Blender brush to feather lightly towards the root for a balayage effect, but saturating the ends for a bright pop of blonde. Because curls coil around each other or spiral, I always want to check the underneath to make sure that it's still a smooth transition and there's no harsh lines where the lightener stops. Here I'm using a mesh strip and I will be alternating foil and mesh around the head. This will allow a multi-dimensional look as far as the lift that we will get. I feel comfortable taking a chunkier weave instead of a fine weave. With curly hair, you're competing with the texture, so it's very important that you go thicker when you're weaving instead of finer. If you do finer, those highlights will become lost and they will play in the background up against the texture. Remember to avoid any harsh, perfectly straight lines while sectioning. Pay attention to clumps of curls. If there is a curl that is clumped together, don't split it just to create a perfect straight line. Go with the natural clumping of the curls. As always, saturation is key. Because you're dealing with curly or textured hair, you want to add more product than what you would for straight hair. Because the texture will absorb the product quickly, you want to make sure that you're accounting for that and adding more of your lightener or color. And I just continued this pattern all the way around the doll head, and she processed for 45 minutes. And then I toned her with the Agora Vibrance 9.5-4 and 7-24 in a 1:1 ratio with these 6 volume activator gel. And this is the result, a beautiful, well-balanced, multi-dimensional foilayage on curly hair. So tell me what you guys think about this. What challenges do you think can arise when foilayage and curly hair? And let us know.